Our real-life hero who turned into real-life hero Sonu Sood has exciting updates for his fans. The Jodha Akbar actor has been honored by an airline. The airline has featured the actor on their aircraft. Sonu took to Twitter to share pictures of the aircraft with his picture on it and also got emotional as he remembered his parents and expressed his gratitude. Remember coming from Moga to Mumbai on an unreserved ticket. Thank you everyone for all the love. Miss my parents more, Sonu wrote. Several of Sonu's fans reacted to the honor and praised the actor for his contribution during the lockdown. The nation will always remember that a film actor had to come to the rescue of poor citizens of India during the lockdown. Migrant workers were jobless and were walking on foot hundreds of kilometers in summer heat, one of Sonu's fans wrote. Another fan left an interesting comment taking a jibe at other Bollywood stars. Isn't it interesting that a person like Sonu Sood, who plays a villain in real life, is actually a hero in real life? #respect. Otherwise, there are so many who play hero on camera, but, well, the rest of it can be left for Sonu's fans to complete. Sonu also shared a video in which the making of the aircraft with his face on it is shot. Meanwhile, Sonu, who's known for his heart of gold, shared a video previously in which he sent a message regarding saving the earth. The actor is seen installing solar panels in his Punjab house. It's time for us humans to enter the solar system. Just installed solar panels in my Punjab house, Sonu wrote.
Boss, go solar and save electricity. Save earth. All the best.
However, recently the actor was miffed with a Twitter user who asked for help. One of Sonu's fans tweeted asking for some help to the Bollywood star. In the tweet, the fan has mentioned that he told his friends he'd buy a phone and that he swore on his mother. But the fan later added that he was unable to buy the phone, and as he swore on his mother, he was a little scared. Upset with his fan, Sonu Sood gave him a befitting response. माँ की कसम खाकर किसी की मदद कर दे भाई, माँ ज्यादा दुआएं देगी. फोन तो सबके पास है, दुआएं किसी किसी के पास. Impressed with Sonu's response, several Twitter users hailed the actor.